Hold on to your seat. Sun incredible snack heist is unfolding. In Singapore, an unattended bag of treats becomes the target of a crow crew. With 2 on lookout and 1 master thief, they execute a flawless operation, using their beaks to unzip bags like seasoned pros. Recent studies prove urban crows always use tools and can remember faces for over 5 years. This 60-second crime spree is undeniable evidence of their remarkable intelligence. Was this a random score or a premeditated heist? Sound off in the comments. Should we arrest these feathered criminals or hire them as security consultants?
See you again at Uncle Jack's channel.